So how to buy the best gardening soil for your pot or for in-ground, depending on your preference, what you like. And this is a new found soil that I found. This is a Miracle-Gro Performance Organic, and I look for whether it's for container or it's for in-ground, because there are some soil that are for in-ground only. You can sometimes use them in your pot, and then there are some that are just for container only. So I use container a lot, so I go for anything container. So this is the Miracle-Gro Performance Organic. As long as it's organic, I like. And it's all-purpose container mix. So this comes with, says Miracle-Gro Result Organic and Natural Ingredients. It's blended with aged compost and then plant nutrient feeds up to 3 months. And then also it tells you that it is only container mix. And then when we look at the back here, it tells you the direction how to use it. And so it says that transplanting, if you have a seedling and you are just transplanting, you do have the instructions here how to do it. Select a pot with a drain hole and then fill pot about 1/3 full and loosen root ball before placing in new pot, and then also add more mix, stopping 1/2 inch from rim, press tightly, and then water let drain. And that is just the process. And then if this is seedling, also gives you instruction how to use it. You just select a pot with a drain hole, fill the pot to 1/2 inch from rim, seed according to direction, which is B on the seed, and then water and let drain. So that's how you use them. So I think this doesn't specify to add anything to it. So I guess it's ready to just use like that. I have not used this one before, so it's going to be my first time using this as well. But it's not heavy at all. It's not heavy at all. And this is, how many ounces is this? This is 1 cubic foot. And so you can see here, it's not that heavy at all. This is the only size I found, the 1 foot size that I found, 1 cubic foot I found. So I like it. I'm going to try it. So that is just the review of our Miracle-Gro Performance Organic All-Purpose Container Mix. And we are going to try this for my vegetables and we'll see how it comes out. So that's, in a nutshell, the review. I think I like it. So we're going to see how it's going to perform with the plants. It has it tells you the lighting. It says refer to plant tags for specific sun or shades needs, and then your watering also. Let mix dry to the touch between watering. Do not allow plants to sit in a drainage water. Outdoor container plants require more frequent watering than indoor plants. This may be daily in hot weather. So you have to take those into consideration. And then reporting, that if you are reporting, and that is also reporting annually to the next larger size container, will encourage fruit and bloom production. So when you are using a pot, you want to have a bigger pot where your plant will grow well. So that's for look at things with Miracle-Gro Performance. So far, that's all there is about it. I always go for organic, anything organic when it comes to plants I like. So that's just the overview of the Miracle-Gro Performance Organic All-Purpose Container Mix.